Connecting HISAB to QuickBooks starts in the add-in. You add a connection and choose QuickBooks Online. In your QuickBooks Developer app, you register HISAB's local callback URL. Then open Keys and Credentials and copy your client ID and secret, kept private here. Paste them into HISAB to register your app. Then authorize in QuickBooks. Sign in and grant access, and the tokens come back encrypted. The connection goes live. HISAB links to QuickBooks with Read and Write enabled. It starts with 10 supplier invoices, PDFs, sitting in a folder. We ask HISAB to read them, match each to the right QuickBooks vendor and item, and stage them as bills, posting nothing until we say Go. It reads all 10 PDFs, pulling out the supplier, line items, quantities, prices, and VAT. Then it matches every invoice against your live QuickBooks, all 10 suppliers found, each line mapped to its item. In QuickBooks right now, there are no bills at all. HISAB designs the layout, then builds the staging table, writing every bill line by line, grouped exactly as asked, and validates every row against live QuickBooks, all 39 lines valid, reconciling to the penny against each invoice. Then it stops and shows you all 10 bills. Nothing posts until you approve. On your go-ahead, all 10 are posted to QuickBooks. 10 submitted, 10 succeeded, 0 failed. And there they are, live in QuickBooks. All 10 bills, where moments ago there were none. Thames Valley, Bloomsbury, Soundwave, every supplier, every total. Open the original invoice and the total matches the posted bill to the penny. From PDF to posted accounts payable, automated and approved. HISAB 360. Excel, fully evolved.